Shut up. Gotta cut an apple properly. You say cut an apple properly. If you want to eat an apple, fine. We don't want it. Wow, it's breezy here. Holy shite.
Yep. Don't turn the stove up.
Right side of the core. Left side of the core. That side. That side there. Throw that away. Unless you want to eat it all.
Make a bin for you.
She's Von Bingen. Hold on. All right, then we go. You can do 3 or 4 cuts here, depending on the apple. And we don't know what kind of apples these are because you bought what?
Misfit produce. Misfit.
Is it produce or fruit? It's a fruit.
Market.
Misfit Market. Linked in the description.
These are veggie misfits. And fruit misfits. There's a little garbage bag. These are garbage.
Enjoy this vacuum review. But now you know. This is how I like to cut my apples. If you like some.
Do you want a bowl?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Today.